Guys, I'm not exaggerating, this massage gun actually fixed my muscle pain. Fire, you need to see this. After long workouts, my shoulders, quads, and back were always sore. Stretching? Meh. Foam rolling? Painful. I needed something that actually works. Enter the Lifepro Dynaflex massage gun. Look at this: adjustable angles, deep tissue percussive action, and it's super quiet, under 50 decibels. I can use it anywhere, anytime, and it hits those tight spots perfectly. Within minutes, my muscles felt loose, tension melted away, and recovery after workouts? Next level. No more soreness slowing me down. If you're serious about recovery, this massage gun is a game changer. Seriously, try it.
If you like or buy this product, go to my website and click on Buy Now button.